Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my fall and Halloween decor for 2020. A lot of this is pretty similar to last year's, but I did add a few new things. So yeah, just get started. First, we have this cup with leaves on it with a scrunchie on top. We got some spiders in the back, the Dracula from Hotel Transylvania, a teddy bear inside of a bee costume, and he's sitting inside of this pumpkin. Got some fall leaves. We got two pumpkins on top. We have this white one and then this orange one. We have some candy corn inside of this container with all these little things on it. We got a little ghost, witch's hat, a bat, and then a skull. So that's that. Over here, I added some purple pumpkins just to line across my TV. So I thought that was pretty cute. Oh, and also on top of here, we have the sign that says Happy Harvest. Majority of this stuff is from the dollar store, in case you guys are wondering. So yeah, that's it for my little dresser area. Then over here, same as last year, we have this girl, a little scarecrow. Super cute. Sorry if the camera keeps on being blurry, but yeah. And then over here, we just have like a cute pumpkin mirror decal thing. We have a leaf. Where's the other leaf? There it is, right there. So yeah, I just added all that stuff. And then on here is my door sign. It just says Harvest, Give Thanks, Falling Leaves, Autumn Gatherings, Happy Fall Y'all, and Pumpkin Patch. And then I added these purple lights that I recently got from the dollar store, if you guys saw that haul video. Actually, I'm going to plug them in so you guys can see what they look like. Let me do that really quickly. And then turn off the lights. So this is what they look like. Just a light purple color. Very cute. Love that. So that's what hangs on my light. Unplug that real quick. And then over here I added a pumpkin squishy that I got from Michaels. And then on my vanity mirror, let me zoom in for you guys, I added some more of the mirror decals, and it says Hello Fall, and then just has the 3 leaves. And yeah, guys, that is it for my Halloween fall decor. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!